Uh, oh, Samantha, I'm so bored. There's nothing to do. What should I do? Please. Well, why don't you, go study or read a book? You didn't do very well in that literature test. No, thank you. Huh. Oh, Ashley, I'm so bored and there's nothing to do. Oh, what should I do? Why don't you practice cello? I mean, you barely passed that exam the other day. You have to do better. No, thank you. Nothing to do. No, thank you. Oh, hey. Maybe I could do like Gandhi did and go a whole day without talking to clear my mind or something. Yeah, I think I'll do that. That is what I will do. Oh, hey Caroline, what's up? Okay, well, bye, nice to see you. Okay. Oh, wait, by the way, do you want to go see that new movie that's coming out today? I already got tickets and stuff. Sure, okay, sure. Alright, but you're gonna have to be really quiet in the theater and make a lot of noise. Don't make a lot of noise. Can you do that? Oh, believe me, I can do that. I can do that.